Here's a motivational story about perseverance and determination. The unstoppable dream. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, lived a young girl named Asha. From a young age, Asha was captivated by the beauty of the stars. Every night, she would sit outside her family's modest home and gaze up at the night sky, dreaming of becoming an astronaut. However, in Asha's village, education for girls was not a priority. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and sending Asha to school seemed like an impossible dream. But Asha was determined. She had a spark in her eyes and an unyielding spirit. She knew she had to find a way to achieve her dream. Every morning, before the sun rose, Asha would help her mother with household chores. She would fetch water from the well, tend to the garden, and take care of her younger siblings. Despite the long hours of work, she never complained. In the afternoons, while other children played, Asha would sit under the shade of an old banyan tree with borrowed books, teaching herself to read and write. One day, a retired schoolteacher named Mr. Sharma moved to the village. He noticed Asha's dedication and thirst for knowledge. Impressed by her determination, he offered to tutor her in the evenings. Under Mr. Sharma's guidance, Asha's knowledge expanded rapidly. She absorbed everything like a sponge, excelling in subjects far beyond her age. Years passed, and Asha's hard work began to bear fruit. She secured a scholarship to a prestigious high school in the nearby town. Despite the long journey and the challenges of being away from home, Asha thrived. Her determination grew stronger with each passing day. After high school, Asha applied to a renowned university, focusing on aerospace engineering. She faced numerous rejections and setbacks, but she never gave up. She worked odd jobs to save money for her studies and continued to apply, learning from each rejection and improving her applications. Finally, her persistence paid off. She was accepted into a top university. There, she continued to excel, often being the top student in her class. She faced discrimination and doubt, but her unwavering spirit saw her through. Upon graduation, Asha applied to space programs worldwide. She faced more rejections, but she remembered her childhood dream and the countless nights spent gazing at the stars. She knew she couldn't give up now. One day, Asha received a letter from the space agency. With trembling hands, she opened it and read the words she had dreamed of for so long. "Congratulations, you have been accepted as an astronaut trainee." Years of perseverance, hard work, and unwavering belief in herself had finally paid off. Asha's journey from a small village to the stars was a testament to the power of determination. She became an inspiration to many, proving that no dream is too big if you have the courage to pursue it relentlessly. Asha's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to chase their dreams, no matter how impossible they seemed. Her legacy lived on, a beacon of hope and determination for generations to come. The story of Asha reminds us that with determination, resilience, and hard work, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles and achieve our dreams.